Bruh, this spider is literally glowing in the dark. I know y'all probably can't see it like I see it. I'm trying to get close in for y'all. Trying to make sure it's zoomed. Yeah, there you go. Y'all see it right in my glowing in the dark. Like for real, for real. Like that's so cool. Like this spider, like I'm just saying, like for real, for real. This spider might mutate you. I ain't gonna even lie. Bro, this spider over here glowing in the dark.
Which one?
Right here.
Oh wow.
That's crazy. I ain't never seen that. What you gonna do with them pumpkins, man? Why you still got them? Oh. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You trying to spin a web on me or something? Trying to mutate me? Look at it, bro. That mother look cool. What you doing? Why I gotta turn it on?
I'm trying to see if this water hose thing work.
Oh, duh.
Ain't all that water right there spraying shit work.
Yeah, it probably ain't loose. It's probably loose. Just a little bit. No, it's alright. That's just been loose for a minute.
Turn it up.
No, I'm not gonna tighten
Turn
it.
it up for me.
No. Oh, that more like a demon, man.
Turn it up. Come on. Hey.
Oh.